Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today I'm gonna tell you about bald head. Keeping a bald head looking smooth and fresh is key. Make sure to moisturize your scalp regularly to keep it hydrated and healthy. And don't forget sunscreen to protect your head from the sun. To prevent razor burn on your scalp, here are a few tips. Prepare the scalp. Before shaving, make sure to wash your scalp with warm water and a gentle cleanser to soften the hair and open up the pores. Use a sharp razor. Always use a sharp and clean razor to reduce irritation. Dull blades can cause more friction and lead to razor burn. Shave with the grain. Shave in the direction that your hair grows to minimize irritation and razor burn. Moisturize after shaving. Once you are done shaving, apply a gentle moisturizer or aftershave to soothe the skin and keep it hydrated. Avoid overshaving. Give your scalp some time to rest between shaves to prevent irritation and allow the skin to recover. These tips should help you maintain a smooth and comfortable bald head look without dealing with razor burn. So viewers, let's end the video here. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.